1, 2, 3, come on!
Come on, come on.
Okay, so we are ready for our next method of inserting our links in our PowerPoint presentation. So this is our method 2. So let's use the same slides but different method in inserting our links. So let's remove all these things. So using this one, we can also link our slides to another slide. So let's remove everything, the action buttons, and we will use this links. So with this, we have already this one, then topic, standards, competencies, and this quarter weekday. We can use this one or the logo to link. So what we are going to do now is to at least give additional guide or directions to our students. So for example, we have here, let's change the font, then you may change the color so that it may be visible to our learners. So it says here, please click the logo to start. Now let's link on this. So you need to click the logo first before you can link it to another slides. So for example, we will use the logo and then insert, then action, then you need to click hyperlink to the next slides. You can choose from here. So next slides, click OK, then so as you can see, let's try. So as you can observe the cursor, it will become like that. So you can see the hand icon. So if you click, you will see pretest. It will link to the next page or next slide. So again, let's remove this one because this was from the method 1. Then text box, for example, then right click, edit text, then you will write or type, for example, click here to go to the next, or click here to go to the next slide. And of course, try to highlight it and change the font, then adjust, then you may place here, so it depends on your choice, then highlight again so that you can insert. Linked to, hyperlink to, again you may select, so next slide, click, so there. So as you can see, let's try. So once they click this one, it will link to the next slides. which is introduction. Again, let's remove this one. Then let's insert picture, for example. So I will go back to my file here. I have from the desktop. Let me use the webinars, and I have here compilations of my Bitmoji. So let's try to find this one. Let's try. Then again, I have already shared to you how to remove the background. So click here and then adjust. Okay. Then there, so you may place it here, then click, then hit the insert, then actions, and then hyperlink to the next slide. So let's try again. So once they click the image, it will move to the next slides. So again, let's do the same process. Let's remove the following action buttons as we did in the method 1. Then you can also insert shapes. For example, this one, you can place it there, here. So let's just place it here. So it depends on your choice. And then you may also change the color. So since we basically see yellow, happy face, or so hyperlink to. So again, you may select, it's your choice where to hyperlink it. Then let's try. So once they click this one, it will go to the home page because I use the first one. Then once they click, and then once I click that, there, because I chose. So we have here different slides, and we use this link. So there, how to insert links in PowerPoint presentation. So hope you understand, hope you understood the second method in inserting our link. Now, still in the second method, I will also show you how the hyperlinks work within the same presentation. So it says here, once you go to insert and then action, then what is action? Give the selected object an action to carry out when you click it or mouse over it. For example, you can hover an object to jump to the next slide, etc. Creates a link in your document for quick access to web pages and files. Hyperlinks can also take you to places in your documents. So click this logo and then go to insert, then hit links, and then you select from the slides, then click. Okay, so this time you can re-customize your slides. So instead of using for example this text or your logo, you may omit them and then re-customize. You can of course delete this one. You can add shades. For example, let's use this smiley face or smiley icon, and then you can put it here. Then you can format it, change fill. So let me use the yellow, and then insert, and then you click links now, and then you select, but before that you select from these documents or files. So after clicking that one, it may link to the different files. So you can drag it down, select what specific documents you want. Okay, let's try logo. Then okay, now once I click this smiley face, so it says their logo. So let's try. Okay, so once I click this, it will link to the logo. See? So that's how the hyperlinks within the slides works. So once you put your cursor there, it says there the name of the file where to hyperlink the slides. So once let's remove this one first, and then you can also again insert any shape, or it depends on you. So let's have pictures this time, and let me select this Bitmoji. So again, I have shared to you how to format this one. Remove the background, so a little bit of adjustment, and then it's there. Okay, and then you can put it anywhere you like. So you can also reformat that one, and then you click first, and then you hyperlink, then you go to again any document you want to hyperlink. So once I click that Bitmoji image, for example, let me choose this one. So melt for grade 6, for example. This is just an example. Now let's try if it works. So once I click this Bitmoji image, so you can see there, and it hyperlinks with the milks. So there. And I hope you learned something new on how to insert your links in PowerPoint presentation from this method too. Thank you!